So, girl, I've been seeing on TikTok, girl, that a lot of y'all, like, younger teens have, like, y'all been cutting, like, folks off. Like, I know, like, I saw this, like, TikTok, and this boy had to cut his friend out because those of him, girl. And that's me. Like, bitch, a lot of y'all know, like, 2024 has been, like, a good, fun year, but I have had, like, to cut, like, a lot of people out of my life from last year. Because, bestie, the sad thing is, bitch, a lot of people are not going to be able to come up with you. And, like, my cousin told me that back in, like, March, bestie. And at first, I was like, huh? And I was like very close with bestie. Y'all saw him. I don't know. Yeah, I think like some of the videos were still down there, like, but you like had like strolled down to like October and November. But like my cousin, the one that like I was very like close with, girl, like he started like acting weird. And my bitch like went as well, so I gave him all my content tips and everything, girly. And cause like my mindset and his mindset are totally different, bestie, sadly. And like to this day, like I still like wish him nothing but the best. Or I truly wish him nothing like but the best. But a lot of people are not gonna be able to come up with you. And like God and like y'all and a lot of y'all know like I pray every morning and every night. I like read my Bible like I love God and Jesus. Like a lot of you do not know. Like 4 years ago, in like July, like back in quarantine, basically, I was so sad, like depressed. I was not myself. I was not happy. I was miserable. And 4 years later, girl, I'm way more happy and healthier. I found my purpose, which is like making content. Like this is like my full time job. Nothing weird, girl. And y'all know, like one of my favorite prayers, Lord, is Lord, please remove anyone out of my life who's not right for me and who is going to drain me. And that's the best prayer God will answer. Like God answered that prayer so fast. He took him like out of my life. He took some like guys that he took some guys that I used to talk to like out of my life. He took some friendships out of my life who was going to postpone me back from like my true purpose. And ever since I cut them people off, y'all, like my life has been doing wonders. Like your girl is monetized on social media. I truly found my purpose, which is like making videos full time. I'm way more happier and healthier. My content has been taken off, bitch. Like I am like overall in like a good happy mindset place and bestie. And that's the thing is like and like this is sad basically. Like a lot of people will not be able to come up, which like some people of you secretly hate Lord. Like people will be like secretly jealous of you and feel like y'all like alone because I when I cut them people like out of my life, y'all, I was like, I'm gonna be so bored. When it comes about my peace and happiness, I do not like anybody can get cut off. So in that business, like I talked to like my like other cousin, y'all like, camera shy, and I do not like force like nobody to like be in my video. Now if you want like now if you want to like be in one, it's cool, but I do not force like nobody like, to like be my video. And now basically like I still have fun with my mama, my cousin, like and like I feel like God does something like to like prepare you. Like if you're like me and know like you was like meant for something bigger, like I can just like have my mindset, how I talk, how I like do certain things. Like my mindset is way normal. So, like do not get me wrong, I'm not just gonna act like I'm so like saying something like I have to like have my mindset, how I talk, how I do things. My mindset is a different, and if you feel like that, best to keep doing you like whatever you want to do. Either it's content, either selling houses, engineer, bestie, do it, bestie. Do not let nobody tell you. Like when I first started social media, bestie, a lot of like I had like a lot of haters. Like who was like, oh, you're not gonna be doing that. Oh, you're not gonna be getting like monetized. Oh, I hit 5,000 followers, based. I'm still growing. Like everybody love my videos. It's like I have been my like monetized, bestie. So that's your sign too. Do not give up, bestie. And if you're like me and feel like you were truly meant for like something different, like doing you, bestie. If I like would have gave up, bestie, I would not be here today. Like mind you, bestie, I literally talk about backing by the roots videos and vlog for my job, and I make a good income of that a month, bestie. So please do not let nobody insecurities try to bring you down, bestie. But bestie, you got this, bestie. Until next time, bestie.